So I want to take a minute and talk about string when it comes to bow drill. If you're new to bow drill and you're just getting into this, it's important that you just grab a piece of string that's reliable and strong. So we have access to a lot of P-cord. We use a lot of P-cord with students, and it really holds up to the wear and tear. There's a couple of parts in which bow drill cord really takes kind of a beating, and part of that is when you're setting your spindle in to the bow. It goes through this acute amount of pressure. And then also through bowing, it creates a lot of friction where the string wraps around the spindle and matches itself. And so natural string is really probably one of the harder elements when it comes to sort of like an off-the-land kit. There are great natural fiber sources, and if you know me, I love fibers. So I want to say start with P-cord and then go from there and experiment what's going to work for you. So grab Brad's bow right here, and this has a piece of rawhide. Rawhide is remarkable, and probably my favorite when it comes to bow drill as a string to use. It's really sturdy, lasts a long time, and that this is a white-tailed deer that's just been spiral cut out of a circle. You'll start to get familiar if you get into rawhides that different animals have different strength ratios in their fiber network. And so, you know, some hides are going to be great. Some hides are not going to be so great. So like gray squirrel, amazing. Groundhog, awesome. Rabbit, not so much. But that's just rawhide. Then you have natural cellulose-based fibers where you could be twisting up plant fibers. You could be gathering up spruce roots. Those are all really valid things to experiment with once you get comfortable with the whole process. And then there's just sort of thinking outside of the box about what sort of fibers are available to you. And maybe it's the hem of your shirt that you're going to strip off because you just need fibers right then and there to make this bow drill kit happen. So a lot of options available. Go find a piece of strong, sturdy string that's going to work for you, and then get into the more complicated string elements of bow drill.